Hello students, welcome back. See, now today we are going to look at this series. The purpose of our discussion or taking up this question is to discuss with you all how to solve the series of all odd terms or all even terms. See, I always suggest my students that this is a very this has a very general method, standard method to follow, and if you follow it, you can always solve such type of series. So to start with, I will of course open the summation sign. So it's given that this is part 20 is summation r goes from, so I am sorry, this should be 40 because the highest degree in the expansion will be x is power 40. So it should go till x is power 40. So it's a naught plus a1 times x plus a2 times x square plus a3 times x cube dot a39 times x raised power 39, and the last one will be a40 x raised power 40 here. Okay. Now, as I said, it has a very standard method, and the method says that replace x once by 1 in the series, both the sides. So when you put x is equal to 1 here, 1 plus 1, 2, minus 2 is 0. So it's a naught in RHS, it's sum of all the coefficient. Achha, that's another way. I mean, that can be another type of question where if you have to find the sum of all the coefficient in any expansion, the answer is very simple. Just put x is equal to 1, replace variable by 1, and you get automatically, you will get the sum of all the coefficient for any expansion. Okay, so that's it here. Now, another time you have to put x by minus 1. So these are just two steps which you have to follow, and then when we put x by minus 1, this gets cancelled, 2 raised to the power 20, and now this time you will get alternate positive negative terms. Okay. Now, at the last, you are going to either add them or subtract them. Depends what we need. Adding them will give you one set of a collection of one type of coefficient, maybe even or odd. Subtracting them will give you the other one. So here we need sum of all odd coefficient. So as we can see, if we subtract them, okay, then even terms will get cancelled. We will be left with just odd terms in the RHS bachcho. So 2 times a1 plus a3 plus a5 and so on a39. So therefore, summation a2, and see, that's another way of writing it. So deliberately I am writing it so that you people can should remember that this is another form of writing the sum of all odd coefficients. So what is it? So minus 2 raised power 19. So if the question would have been sum of all even coefficient of this polynomial expansion, so you would have just added them, and the answer would have been, I think, 2 raised power 19. Answer is not important. What is important here? The method. Okay, so sum of all odd, sum of all even. Method is very clear, simple. Put x variable, replace variable once by 1 and another time by minus 1 bachcho.